Like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Scarlet macaw, Era Macau. The scarlet macaw is nature's masterpiece, a dazzling explosion of red, yellow, and blue feathers that light up the rainforests of Central and South America. These birds are not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also incredibly intelligent, capable of mimicking human speech and forming deep emotional bonds. In flight, their vibrant wings look like streaks of fire across the canopy. Their loud, piercing calls echo through the jungle, symbolizing freedom and wild beauty. The scarlet macaw is truly the heart of the tropical rainforest. 2. Hyacinth macaw, Anadorhynchus hyacinthinus. The hyacinth macaw is the largest parrot in the world and perhaps the most majestic. Covered in deep cobalt blue feathers, with striking yellow rings around its eyes and beak, it's often called the blue jewel of the Amazon. Found in Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay, these gentle giants use their massive beaks to crack open hard nuts that most animals can't touch. Despite their size, they are affectionate and playful, a perfect blend of strength and tenderness wrapped in sapphire feathers. 3. Eclectus parrot, Eclectus raratus. The eclectus parrot is a living example of nature's creativity. Males and females are so differently colored that for years, scientists thought they were two separate species. Males shine with emerald green plumage and orange beaks, while females glow in bright crimson and royal blue. Native to the rainforests of Papua New Guinea and Indonesia, eclectus parrots are calm, intelligent, and known for their ability to speak with clarity. Their beauty feels almost digital, like they've been painted by hand. 5. Blue and yellow macaw, Era ararana. With its golden chest and turquoise wings, the blue and yellow macaw is a tropical icon. Often seen soaring in pairs over the Amazon, they represent love, intelligence, and freedom. These parrots are extremely social and can live for more than 50 years, forming lifelong partnerships. Their striking contrast of blue and gold under sunlight makes them one of the most photographed and admired birds in the world. True tropical royalty. 4. Rainbow lorikeet, Trichoglossus mollucanus. The rainbow lorikeet is exactly what its name suggests. A burst of rainbow feathers come to life. Native to Australia, this energetic bird displays a bright blue head, green wings, orange chest, and red beak. They travel in noisy flocks, feeding on nectar from tropical flowers, often leaving a trail of color wherever they go. Watching a group of rainbow lorikeets feeding together feels like watching a living rainbow dancing in the trees. 6. Einstein parrot, African gray parrot, Psittacus erythicus. The Einstein parrot isn't just a beautiful bird, it's a genius with feathers. This African gray parrot earned worldwide fame for her incredible ability to mimic human speech and even understand simple concepts. With sleek silver gray plumage, a bright red tail, and intelligent, expressive eyes, Einstein is as stunning as she is smart. Her sharp mind allows her to imitate hundreds of words, perform impressions, and even deliver jokes with perfect timing. What makes her truly special is her emotional intelligence. She reacts to people's tones, remembers faces, and even shows affection. African greys like Einstein are known to have the intelligence of a 5-year-old child, capable of solving puzzles and understanding cause and effect. Einstein's fame has helped people realize that parrots aren't just pets. They're complex, emotional beings capable of thought, humor, and love. Her charm, wit, and voice make her a living S. 7. Blue-crowned conure, Vecticircus acuticaudatus. The blue-crowned conure, with its soft green body and sky-blue head, is one of the gentlest parrots to exist. Native to South America, this medium-sized parrot has a calm, affectionate personality, making it a favorite among bird lovers. Its subtle beauty stands out in sunlight, where its feathers shimmer with hidden shades of turquoise. These parrots are known for their loyalty and quiet intelligence, often forming strong connections with their human companions. 9. Sun conure, Aratinga solstitialis. The sun conure is like a drop of sunlight come alive. Covered in brilliant orange, yellow, and red feathers with green-tipped wings, it radiates warmth and joy. Native to northeastern South America, these parrots are incredibly affectionate and form strong pair bonds. Their cheerful chirps and vibrant colors brighten any environment they're in, making them one of the most beloved birds both in the wild and as companions. 8. King parrot, Alasteris scapularis. Found in the lush forests of eastern Australia, the king parrot truly lives up to its name. Males display a royal red head and chest, while females wear elegant green, a perfect balance of power and grace. These birds are often seen gracefully gliding through eucalyptus forests, feeding on fruits and seeds. Their majestic appearance and calm behavior make them a regal sight in the wild, earning them the title, the gentle monarch of the forest. 10. Galah, Aeolophus rosicapilla. The galah, also known as the rose-breasted cockatoo, is a true symbol of Australia's wild heart. With soft pink and gray plumage, expressive eyes, and a playful personality, the galah combines charm and intelligence effortlessly. They are incredibly social, often seen flying in flocks and performing Like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.